Good morning, children. Class 7th. Today we will revise chapter 4, that is rational number. Okay. So, uh, then after this revision, I will give you a revision worksheet based on rational number. Okay. That you have to solve. Okay. So, what are rational numbers? Rational numbers are the numbers which can be represented in the form of P upon Q. Okay. वेयर क्यू इज़ नॉट इक्वल्स टू ज़ीरो, यानी कि कोई भी पी एंड क्यू बोथ आर इंटीजर्स, पी एंड क्यू आर इंटीजर्स. ओके, so p and q are integers means it may be positive or negative. Okay, so 3/4 is rational number, -3/4 is also rational number, -3 upon -4, this is also rational number. Okay, now rational number can be positive and negative. Positive means any one, both the numerator and denominator are positive or both are negative, then we say that they are positive rational number. And if numerator or denominator any one of them is negative, it means it is negative rational number. Okay, next, representation of rational number on number line. So like if I want to represent 3/4 on number line, okay, 3/4 or -3/4, so just mark 0 at the center of the number line, then we will mark 1 here also, -1. Okay, 4 upon 4 will be 1 and -4 upon 4 will be -1. Okay, but it is 3 upon 4. So first we will divide this line, this part, into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4 parts. Okay, इसका. Okay, this is 1/4, this is 2/4, 3/4 and 4/4. 4/4, that means 1. Okay, so we need 3/4, so this one is our required or desired point. Now again we have to divide the line according to as per the denominator. How many denominator में जो भी दिया given है, 8 is given, so we have to divide it 8 in 8 parts. Okay, if 5 is given, so we have to divide it into 5 parts, but 4 is given, so we will divide it into 4 parts. Okay, this is -1/4, -2/4, -3/4 and -4/4. So required point is -3/4. Okay, next is arrange the rational numbers into ascending or descending order. So if this type of question is given, arrange the rational number into ascending or descending order. So now first we will find the LCM of denominators. LCM of 5, 10, 15 and 30 will be, so LCM of 5, 10, 15 and 30 will be 30. Okay, so now we will convert them into equivalent fraction. ये similar हो जाएंगे एकदम. कैसे होंगे? 2/5 we have to multiply denominator by a number so that it becomes 30. So 5 6 are 30, so therefore we will multiply 2 also by 6, so 2 6 are 12. Okay, next is 7/10. Multiply them, multiply the denominator 10 with a number so that it becomes 30, so we will multiply it by 3. Again 7 भी numerator भी उसी number से multiply होगा, 7 3 are 21. Okay, multiply this 8/15 also with a number so that the denominator become 30. So 15 2s are 30, so 8 2s are 16. Okay, next is 13 upon 30. So it is all, its denominator is already 30, so we will multiply it by 1 only. Okay, so 13/30. Okay, now arrange, we can arrange them in ascending order. So lowest one is 12, then 13, then 16 and then 21. So 12/30, then 13/30, then 16/30 and last is 21/30. In this way we can arrange them in ascending order. Okay, similarly we can do addition and subtraction also. Okay, now addition of rational numbers. So for addition also, first we have to find their LCM. LCM of 3 and 4 will be 12. So first, so now -2/3 will be multiplied by a number so that its denominator will become 12. Okay, so 3 4s are 12 and 2 4s are 8. Okay, next 3/4 multiplied by 3, by because we have to convert the denominator as 12. Okay, so 12 and 3 3s are 9. So now we will add them, minus 8 by 12 plus 9 by 12. So denominator is same, we will write it one time, minus 8 plus 9, that is 9 minus 8 will be 1 by 12. Okay, similarly subtraction will be there. 3 by 4 from subtract 3 by 4 from 2 by 3. So we will write 2 by 3 first, then minus 3 by 4. First we will find the LCM of 3 and 4, that will be 12. So 2 by 3 multiplied by a number so that it becomes 12. So we will multiply it by 12. 4 2s are 8. Okay, now 3 by 4 again it has to be multiplied by a number so that the denominator become 12. Why we are making it 12, denominator को 12 क्यों कर रहे हैं? Because LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. Okay, so now 4 multiplied by 3, 4 3s are 12, so 3 multiplied 3 will be 9. Okay, now again 8 upon 12 minus 9 upon 12. So denominator is 12, that is same, so we will write it one times. 8 minus 9, that will be 1, minus 1 by 12. Okay, एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन में आपको डिनोमिनेटर का एलसीएम फाइंड करना है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आपको क्या करना है, माइनस 9 बाय 16 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय माइनस 64 अपॉन 22. ओके, सो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में क्या होता है, अगर न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर कैंसिल हो सकते हैं तो वी कैन कैंसिल इट, अगर नहीं होते तो देन लीव इट एज इट इज. ओके, now minus 9 upon 16 multiplied by 64 upon 22. so 16 1 16, 16 4 64 कैंसिल हो रहा है. अब और कुछ भी कैंसिल हो रहा है. yes, 2 2 are 4 and 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2. now nothing can be cancelled, so minus 9 multiplied by 2 and 1 multiplied by 11. 9 2s are 18 plus minus minus and 11 1s are 11. okay, in multiplication we can cancel them. in division, so now divide minus 11 by 2 divided by minus 33 upon 8. so डिवीजन में एक इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म आती है रेसिप्रोकल. रेसिप्रोकल क्या करते हैं, सेकंड वाला जो भी फ्रैक्शन होता है उसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाता है, यानी इन्वर्टेड हो जाता है. न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर और डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर में चेंज हो जाता है. प्लस सेकेंडली और क्या होता है, जो डिवीजन साइन है वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन में चेंज हो जाता है. सो माइनस 11 अपॉन 2 डिवीजन मल्टीप्लिकेशन में चेंज हो जाएगा, और रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ माइनस 33 अपॉन 8 विल बी 8 अपॉन 33. तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल यानी उल्टा हो जाएगा. ओके, 8 अपॉन माइनस 33. ओके, अब जो कैंसिल हो रहे हैं नाउ सेम एज वी हैव डन मल्टीप्लिकेशन वैसा ही होगा सेम. 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8, 11 1 are 11, 11 3 are 33. minus is cancelled by minus. okay, so now 1 into 4 will be 4 and 1 into 3 will be 3, so it is 4 by 3. the answer is 4 by 3. okay, so now you have to do the worksheet, you have to solve the worksheet which is based on rational number. okay, all the best, thank you.